Hi, welcome back. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. So you can crack your GATE and engineering service by using Unacademy through Unacademy. So now we are going to happy to announce that now Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service exams. So now you can crack GATE and engineering service with India's largest learning platform. Okay, here about myself, I G Venkatrao. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. And at present, I am doing PhD from JNTU Kakinada. Now, here we check how to get Unacademy learning app into our device. Just go to Play Store, type Unacademy. Then you will get the Unacademy learning app like this. Just by clicking on this install button, you can install the Unacademy learning app into your device. So this is very important thing what you will get by joining Unacademy. What you will get. So here you are going to getting basically daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited and quizzes. Okay, so to evaluate your preparation, you can evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes and get the detailed analysis on your performance. Okay, see, once you complete your preparation, you can evaluate your preparation by regularly we are conducting mock tests and quizzes. By participating in that, you can evaluate your preparation. And after participating the tests and mock quizzes and mock tests, you will get a detailed analysis on your performance. Next, unlimited access. So once you take in a subscription, you get all our live and recorded courses, all our live and recorded previous classes, also recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your device. Now you can watch it from any of your device, either tab, mobile, laptop, desktop, whatever it is. Which one is you are feeling comfort, you can use that to watch it. Now there are two subscriptions, Iconic subscription and Plus subscription. In Plus subscription, just before, what are the things we explained? Daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. All these things you are going to be getting in Plus subscription. In Iconic subscription, the benefits which are got by the Plus subscriber, you get all these benefits. In addition to this, you are getting these things: personal coach, study tracker, mains question and answer practice. First we go for check the personal coach. What is personal coach? You get one-on-one guidance from top exam experts. He is the exam expert. Once you've written exam, your paper is going to be properly analyzed by your exam expert, what we call as personal coach. Based on that analysis, they will prepare a study plan to you and they will provide respective material also to you. Okay. Now, after that, study tracker. So, by participating study booster plans and study tracker plans and booster workshops, you can evaluate your progress by weekly reviews with personal coach. Next, mains question and answer practice. So you can strengthen your mains answer writing through regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. These are the benefits you are getting in Iconic subscription. So compared to Plus subscriber, you are getting more benefits. These are the more benefits. This is the very important one, mains. So in engineering service, you need to write mains paper. In that, you need to answer every question. So you need to first practice the way of answering the question. That is very important to you. Okay, you need to regular practice, you need it. And what are the question practice or questions you are writing, and we are going to evaluating it, and we will provide a personalized feedback to you. That means we are going to identify the gaps in your preparation, and we are supporting you to fulfill those gaps. Next, an academic combat. Yeah, this is very important. Now scholarship test is going on, my dear students, don't miss this opportunity. A scholarship test is going on in an academy. In the month of April itself, the scholarship worth of 3.5 crores plus in the month of April. Wow, huge amount of scholarship. This is for, these are the courses: mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics and telecommunications, and computer science and IT departments. And the exam is on every Sunday at 11 a.m. in the month of April. Already 18th is completed today. Now next Sunday, next combat is on next coming Sunday 25th. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. Now these are the prizes. Now your exam is duration is 60 minutes on Sunday at 11 a.m. So the prizes are: top 3 winners from each branch get the 100% scholarship on plus subscription, and after that 100 winners from each branch will get the additional discounts like 75% discount, 50% discount, 60% discount, 25% discount, like that. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 to unlock the exam. So once you are writing the exam, these are the benefits you are going to be getting. You are going to writing India's largest weekly scholarship test for GATE. Imagine, India's largest scholarship test you are writing. And within 60 minutes itself, you can assess your GATE preparation. And challenging and original GATE questions you are going to be writing. In exam, we are giving original GATE questions. What are the possible models in the GATE exam? We are providing that. It was this, they are curated by our best educators. Curated by our best educators. And take it live to compete with the best. So take this test is live and compete with the best. So compare to best where you are. For that you need to write the exam by online. And super fast and fun with All India Live Leaderboard. So at All India level we are providing leaderboard also. There, based on your fast and accuracy, we are providing a rank to you. And after completion of all these things exam, we are providing a detailed video solutions for those questions. Now if you unable to answer few questions in the exam, now you can get the idea about how to solve that problem or how to answer that question through this videos. Okay, now register now for free, don't wait. And to unlock these, use my code VRAO10. Now this exam is going to start at 11 a.m. on every Sunday. So these are the GATE 2021 rankers who benefited from GATE combat. Previously, what are the GATE combats we conducted? From that, these are the students benefited. Okay. Now, FET biasing problems. This is our topic, today's topic. And already in previous sessions, we solved some problems on this. So these are the problems we solved. Now I am going to next. Already we solved all this. Yeah, this is the last problem we solved. Last problem we solved this one. Yeah, next we are going to this. See this? Find the values of RS and RD for the circuit given if ID is 2.5 milliamps and IDSS is 0 milliamperes. VP is 3 milli. Sir, this is not 0. I'm very sorry. It is 10 milliamperes. 10 milliamperes. Sorry. So IDSS is 10 milliamperes. Now, see, we need to calculate these values RD and RS. For that, they given ID value. Your ID value is 2.5 milliamperes. This is your ID, 2.5 milliamperes. Now I am writing the ID value from this. ID is 20 minus VD value they given. Voltage at this point they given 12 volts by RD. Now it is they given ID value 2.5 milliamperes. Therefore RD is 20 minus 12 is 8 divided by 2.5 milliamperes. So 8 by 2.5, that is 3.2 kilo ohms. Over. RD calculation is over. We know the RD value, it is 3.2 over. And IDSS they given. Now this is the voltage at gate. I am going to regular procedure. VGS first I am trying to calculate. This is a VG, which is equal to 0 because it is connected to ground. Now this is the VS. Okay, now the current is ID. IS, but which is equal to ID, we know that. Now VS is written as ID into RS. ID value we know that 2.5 milliamperes into RS. Therefore VGS value is VG minus VS. Substitute the values. VG0 minus VS is 2.5 milli into RS. So VGS is finally minus 2.5 milli into RS. Take that one, substitute in regular equation. Our regular current equation is ID equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. ID they given 2.5 milliamps, IDSS 10 milliamps, 1 minus VGS value minus 2.5 milli into RS divided by VP value they given minus 3 whole square. Now it is cancelling this by 4 times. So take 4 this side. So it is 1 by 4, 2.5. Or 1 is equals to 4 into 1 minus 2.5 milli RS by 3 whole square. Now root applying. Now it became 1 by 2. It is 1 minus 2.5 milli into RS by 3. So from this, so it is a 2.5 milli into RS equal to, simplify this, 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 0.5. 0.5 into 3. Okay, 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. Okay, now 1.5 by 2.5. 0.6. So RS is 0.6 kilo ohms. See, very simple. Just to follow the regular procedure, that's it, not more than that. I am moving to next problem. See this, determine the value of RS if VD is 12 volts, they given VD 12 volts and VGS is minus 2 volts. See they given, we know this value, it is 16 volts and this is the current ID. First I am calculating that current ID. ID is 16 minus 12 by, because they given VD value 12 volts by 1.8k. 4 by 1.8k. Is 4 divided by 1.8k. 2.2 milli. That is the ID value. Okay. They given VGS. Now ID is 2.2. So this 2.2 is flowing through this. Okay. And if you take the equivalent circuit, now you need in place of this, you can replace its equivalent circuit like this. This is VGG. It is RG. We don't no need to calculate this because the gate current is 0. IG is 0. So here we get the VG value. That VG is nothing but a VGG. Okay, VGG. So VGG value I am going to calculating now first. So VGG is 16 into just voltage division I am applying into 47k by 47k plus 91k. So which is 16 into 47, 752 divided by 138. That is 5.44 volts. So VG is this much and VS is ID into RS into RS. Now ID is 2.2 milli into RS, that is VS. Now therefore I am calculating VGS. Therefore VGS is, we know that voltage at gate minus voltage at source. They given that is minus 2 volts. Now VG is 5.44 minus VS is 2.2 milli into RS equal to minus 2 volts. Take this one this side, this one this side. Now it is a 7.44 by 2.2 milli. That is your RS value. Let's simplify this. 7.44 divided by 2.2, that is 3.38 kilo ohms. Okay, that is the RS value. So like that. Okay, in your exam also, just you are going to write in the gate examination. There they don't want detailed analysis. Okay, just whatever the data you want, you collect that data, not more than that. Okay, you go for, you have to practice direct steps. Next, see this problem? Yeah, this is the composite circuit. Here we have BJT as well as FET. Now see this, given the given beta value 80, beta value of the transistor 80, and IDSS is 8 milliamperes, pinch off voltage minus 4, VBE 0.7. Calculate VD. What is this voltage? That's it. It is 0.7 volts. 0.7 volts. Okay. Now, first I am going to calculating VGS. By calculating VGS, we get the ID value. So voltage at gate is 0 and voltage at source is ID into 2.4 kilo ohms. Now therefore VGS is 0 minus 2.4k into ID, into ID, which is minus 2.4k into ID. Now that is VGS. Now I'm writing the equation for IDS. ID is IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. So which is IDSS is 8 milliamperes to 1 minus VGS is minus 2.4 K is a 2400 ID by VP they given 4 minus 4 whole square. This is your ID. Now 1000 by 8, that is 125. So 125 ID equal to, so I am taking this expression, sir, taking this equation, ID equal to 125 ID equal to, simplifying this one, equal to 1 minus 600 ID whole square. That's it. And for simplification purpose I am copying this circuit. Now simplifying this, so therefore 125 ID equal to 1 plus 360000 ID square minus 1200 ID. Now from this you get the second order equation in terms of ID, that is 360000 ID square minus 1200 125 1325 ID plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now I am taking this equation. So 360000 ID square minus 1325 ID plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is second order equation in terms of ID. Now ID is following regular procedure, minus B plus or minus square root of B square 1325 whole square. It is 175 5625 B square minus 4AC. I am writing directly 4AC. So it is 1440000 divided by 2A, 2 into A, that is 720000. Now simplify this. So ID is 1325 plus or minus, so 1755625 minus 14440, and it is square root of this, that is 561.8 divided by 720000. Now ID is just plus 1325, that is ID value is 1886.8 divided by 7240, that is 2.6 milliamperes, or let's subtract this. Now 1325 okay, 1325 minus 561.8 divided by, so which is 763.2 720000. That is 1.06 into 10 power minus 3. That means 1 into 10 power minus 3. That means approximately 1 milliampere. Okay, you can take it 1 milliamperes. Therefore, required ID is, therefore our ID is minimum value of 2.6 milliamperes and 1 milliampere. So the final ID is 1 milliampere. The minimum is 1 milliampere. This is your ID. Okay, now apply this ID on this circuit. Yeah. So far we calculated ID. That ID is 1 milliampere. So this is 1 milliampere. The same current is flowing through this in terms of transistor, that is emitter current. This is your ID. But in case of transistor, it is nothing but your emitter current. So from this we can write, which is nothing but a emitter current IA. So the current through this one is base current IB. Now from this we can write base current is emitter current by 1 plus beta. So 1 milliampere by the given beta value something, it is 80. 1 milli by 81. So 1 by 81. 1 divided by 81. That is 12.3 microamperes. That is the base current. Now I am going to apply KVL to this loop, and they given VD value, sorry, they want to calculate VD value. Check the problem once again. Yeah, calculate the VD. Now I am going to applying KVL to this loop. KVL. Up to here I am applying. KVL I am applying up to VD only. Therefore, applying KVL. Therefore, you get 16 equal to 470K into IB plus VBE 0.7 volts plus VD. Therefore, VD is 16 minus 0.7 minus 470K into IB value 12.3 micro. Just simplify this. It is 15.3 minus 470 into 12.3. That is 5.7. 5.78 volts. Now 15.3. That is 5.78 and 0.3. 9.52, that is. So this is the voltage at drain terminal. So when they given composite terminal like this, you need to analyze. Don't go for IC, because if you go into IC, you need to calculate in this loop two things, VCE as well as VD. Two things you need to calculate. Okay, just we know the VBE from the IE, you can get the IB. Just follow that. See, another composite circuit. Here they are taking two FETs. Yeah, see this? For a series connected identical JFETs. That means you can apply both IDSS and VP values, same values for these two. Calculate all node voltages and branch currents. Branch currents. So you need to calculate this current. This current is nothing but this current, IAD. Okay. Now, first of all, take this. Let us give number 1 to this and number 2 this. So I am taking second FET. So from second FET, JFET. VG is 0 because it is gate current is 0. So VG equal to 0 and Vs equal to ID into 2K. It is ID into 2K. More thing, and I am copying the circuit for reference. Now, therefore VGS is 0 minus 2K into ID. Okay. And they given IDSS 8 milliamperes and VP is minus 4 volts. Just apply this in ID. Therefore your ID is IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. Therefore ID is IDSS 8 milli into 1 minus VGS value minus 2000 ID by VP value minus 4 whole square. So now it is 125 equal to 1 minus 125 ID, sorry, 125 ID. So 125 ID, because 1000 by 8, 125 ID equal to 1 minus, it is 500, 1 minus 500 ID whole square. Now I am going to simplifying this. Therefore 125 ID equal to 1 minus 500 ID whole square. Simplify this. Therefore 125 ID equal to 1 plus 250000 ID square minus 1000 ID. Therefore it is 250000 ID square equal to, sorry, minus 1125 ID plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, therefore ID is minus P, that means 1125 plus or minus square root of B square 1125 whole square. Directly I am simplifying, sir, is 1265 625 minus B square minus 4AC 4AC 4 into A into C, it is 1600, that is 10 power 6. Okay, 10 power 6 divided by 2A, 2 into A, it is 5 into 10 power 5, it is 5 into 10 power 5, it is. Simplify this. Now it is 126 5625 minus 1 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is and square root of that, that is 5153. So 1125 plus or minus 515.3 divided by 5 into 10 power 5. So it is divided by 5 into 10 power 5 divided by 5 into 10 power 5. So it is plus 1125, that is 1640 3.2, that is 3, this is 3.2 milliamperes, 3.2 milliamperes. We need to calculate this, that is 1125 minus 515.3, that is 609.7 divided by that value, that is 1.2 milliamperes. Therefore your ID is minimum value of 3.2 milliamperes and 1.2 milliamperes. Therefore ID is, your final ID is 1.2 milliamperes. Okay, now taking this circuit, calculate the remaining part. Now, so the given ID value, we got ID value, it is 1.2 milliamperes finally. Okay, and now I am calculating Vs. Vs is 1.2 milli into 2k. Okay, so Vs is 2.4 volts, 2.4 volts, and voltage across this one is, now I am calculating Vd. Vd is 15 minus 15 minus 15 minus ID into 5k, ID into 5k, ID is into 5k, which is 15 minus ID 1.2 milli into 5k. So that is it is 6, 15 minus 5, that it is 6, 15 minus 6, it is 9 volts, that is the Vd. Okay, that is the Vd. So this is the things, voltage at drain of this one we calculated, and voltage of source of this one we calculated. Okay, and if you apply the KVL to output loop, you get the VDS1 plus VDS2. By applying KVL to output loop, you get 15 equal to, here a drop is, sorry, already it is 9 volts, sorry, okay, it is 9 volts, sorry, no need to apply, directly you can write, because already confirmed it is 9 volts and it is 2.4 volts. Therefore VDS1 plus VDS2 is 9 plus 9 minus 2.4 volts. Okay, it is 6.6 volts. Okay, that is the values. Yeah, that is what they want to calculate. So next problem, see this problem. For identical JFETs, given ID IG 0, so this current is 0. Let us take this is FET 1, FET 2, this current also 0, this is also 0. This current 0 means Current coming from this side also 0. So the total current is flowing this side only. That is the first important point. Okay. And let us take this is ID. This is also ID. Now the voltage at source is 2K into ID. Okay. Now IDSS 10 milli, pinch off voltage -4. Calculate all node voltages and branch currents. Just if you calculate voltages and current ID, then problem will be solved. Follow the same procedure. First I am taking, I want this voltage VG2, which is nothing but a VS1. Okay, now this is VS2. So this is a VG1. So VG1 is 0, no doubt at all. So we need VGS, which is VGS1 minus VS1. Okay, VG1 is 0, which is minus VS1. VGS1 of first device is equal to minus VS1, which is equal to minus of VG2. VG2 minus of VG2. And after that we need second device. This is for first one. For second one, VGS2 is VG2 minus VS2. So therefore VGS2 value is, VG2 is nothing but a minus VG2 minus VGS1. VGS1 minus VS2 is 2K into ID. 2K into ID. Okay. So once you get that, or by applying KVL to this loop also you can get that. This is a 0 equal to VGS1 plus VGS2. Okay, VGS1 plus VGS2 is equal to plus this much. Okay, minus 2K into ID. Now if you take your ID equation, which is IDSS into one minus VGS by VP whole square. This is for second device I am applying. So IDSS they given 10 milli into 1 minus VGS2, this one, minus VGS1 minus 2K into ID divided by VP is minus 4 whole square. Sir, in this problem one data is missing. VGS1 value they have to give. Once they given VGS, substitute here, you get the ID. Okay, from that ID you get the voltage at this point. Okay, and get, this is nothing but a VDS, and you get the voltage at this point. That's it. Okay, so next problem. So next session we go and solve the remaining problems. So here are the top educators from Unacademy. Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper and he has 7 years of GATE and ESE teaching experience. Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank twice in GATE Electrical and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. And Jaspal Singh sir, he is the ex-IAS officer, he got 4th rank. And Sanchit Jain sir, he is a computer science faculty having experience more than 8 years. Here are few more top educators from Unacademy. These are the different engineering disciplines available in Unacademy for GATE and engineering service exams. 2 subscriptions are there, Plus and Iconic already we discussed. Here India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live classes are there, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. So here we are going to show the difference. We are providing a personal coach in Iconic plan. So the personal coach is going to do the personalized test analysis, and they prepare a study planner, and respect to study material also they will provide. By following these two, every student can get success. In Plus plan, it is available at different subscriptions, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 and 2 years. And the beauty here is EMI option also available, and during subscription just use my code VRAO10 and you get it by 10% discount. Similarly, in Iconic plan, 2 subscriptions, 1 year and 2 year subscriptions. For 1 year it is 50,250. By using my code VRAO10 during subscription, you can get 10% discount, 45,225 rupees. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. And please give your valuable comments on YouTube and subscribe us. Hit the bell icon for getting notifications and join our Telegram group for getting latest updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. And once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. Thank you very much.